In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Notion page private. Whether you're managing personal notes, important projects, or sensitive information, keeping certain pages private is an essential skill to have. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Notion application. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will notice a sidebar. This sidebar organizes your Notion workspace into various sections, including your shared pages and private pages. The shared pages are typically listed in a separate section from your private ones, making it easy to distinguish between the two. Now, if you have a specific page that you've previously shared but wish to make private, here's how you can do it. Select the shared page you'd like to make private. You can do this simply by locating it in the sidebar. Once you've found your page, the next step is to change its privacy setting. Here's a simple technique. Click and hold on the page you'd like to move. With your mouse or trackpad, drag this page down to the section labeled Private. You'll see a highlighted visual cue indicating where the page will land once you release it. As you move the page, Notion will prompt you for a confirmation. This safeguard is in place to ensure that you don't mistakenly make sensitive content private without intending to. A dialog box will appear asking if you're sure about moving the page to the private section. Take this moment to confirm your choice by clicking on Move to Private. And just like that, your page is now private. This means that the content is only visible to you unless you decide in the future to share it again. The Notion system is designed to be user-friendly, so this process is both quick and secure, enabling you to maintain control over your information. To wrap up, managing the privacy settings of your Notion pages is a straightforward process that provides you with the flexibility and peace of mind to handle your data confidently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your sensitive information remains visible only to you, further enriching your Notion experience. For those of you interested in expanding your knowledge about Notion and its myriad features, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more tips and tricks that can help you make the most out of this versatile application. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.